everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to draw another one of Trevor Henderson's creations, and that is Cartoon Dog. So if you like this video, let me know of some other ones that you'd like to see me draw, and I'll do my best to do it. So hope you guys watch this video and enjoy. Now, to begin with Cartoon Dog, we're going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down like this. Then we want to connect it, and you can see it's a little bit higher here and a little bit lower there. Do the same thing up here. We're going to go up, curve around, and then connect them. Now I'm going to kind of add the same shape in here for each eye. I just kind of follow the same pattern of the eye. And then we're just going to color in the pupil. He's got really big pupils. Starting here, I'm going to add a curved line that goes right along the eye. Draw a little line that goes down. It's going to curve around and come back up here. Then we're going to draw this line down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to curve around and come up. Then I'm going to start here. We're going to make a line that goes out. Put a small bump on the end. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve up to here. Then starting here, we're going to go down a little farther, make a little bump, and curve all the way up towards the ear. Now, right here by the nose, we're going to make a line that's going to come out to here. I'm going to go down, so I touch that line, and then I'm going to bring it all the way down to this little bump that I made. Just add a little curved line here for the nose. And then I want to add a bunch of teeth. So to draw the teeth, all you're going to do is make some curved lines. They can be different sizes, and they just go up and down. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom, but these are going to be going down and up. You can make them different sizes. Next, we want to work on the body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to be kind of wavy. It's going to curve around and then come back. Same thing here, we're going to go down, do the same thing, make it kind of wavy. You can put them in any position you want, and then it's just going to come back here. Next, we're going to draw two lines that come down for the body. And then we want to begin with the legs, and the legs are a little bit different, so it's kind of the opposite of how we drew the cartoon cat. So he actually has his hands on his feet. So to do this, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to sharply come down. I'll curve this around, we'll go up and come back here. I'll do the same thing over here, we're going to go out and down. We'll just come across, go down, and then connect it to here. Now to draw this, we'll make a little curved line on each end. And then we'll draw the hands. So do this, or the feet. We'll draw a line that curves out. It's going to go back like this. We'll make another one here. One here, one here, and then one more right here that comes up. Same thing over here, we're going to go out, we'll go down and come back. Another one here, You can see it's just kind of following the same shape. Go down here, and then one more here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Cartoon Dog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.